So guys, I'm here Alok and you are watching TechPost YouTube channel. So today in this video I want to show you how can you install Audacity in your desktop. So first you need to go any web browser and search for Audacity. So you get the over first link, click on that and we get this captcha. You should complete it. It is for security purpose. I got this content in an umbrella. One, two, three, next,
I could do this all day, I could do this all night, all
so here we have got it and checking. Okay, we are certified. And so this is a web page of audacity.team.org and you scroll down, you get over here download Audacity. It is free for all the users, Mac OS and Linux also. Click on that and we get the options which user you are download for that. Click on that and scroll down, you get this file. So it is not much difference between two files. Two files are same, but it is zip file and it is installed. So I prefer to first one. After downloading all the file, open the file location. So I am opening. Okay, it is here. Double click on that and start installing. So we should give permission for install. So first select your language. I am selecting English. Next. I have already installed. Again I am installing. I started installing. Waiting to install. So I give some information of Audacity. Audacity is a free source. First I said that, and it is most of the YouTubers also use for their audio editing. It is one of the best audio editing and it is free also. So you can also use some premier versions, not Audacity, some other apps also contain, but it is very free of cost. So it's installed and next finish. So it is launching the Audacity. Okay, so this is a user interface of the Audacity. Once you explore all these options, you get to know how it works. And subscribe our channel for most these types of videos of tutorials and some interesting features of Audacity. Thanks for watching.